Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing the TITA Ultra official speedometer dashboard HUD, designed for Tesla Model Y Juniper and Model 3. This innovative device brings a new level of style and functionality to your driving experience. The TITA Ultra features a 1.75-inch OLED full-color screen, offering sharp visuals and vibrant colors compared to traditional LCD screens. It provides multiple customizable themes, including pointer UI, refreshed UI, and classic UI, so you can personalize your dashboard to match your style. The display shows essential information such as speed, gear position, battery percentage, driving range, and even tire pressure, all in real time. Safety is a top priority. The system only reads vehicle data without modifying or writing any information, ensuring stability and reliability. It also includes reminders for high beam lights, steering signals, blind spot alerts, and car door status, helping you stay aware while driving. Additional features include overspeed warnings, AP mode display, hold mode, and dynamic recovery indicators. The device supports continuous OTA updates, so you always have the latest features. Installation is simple, and the design integrates seamlessly with your Tesla interior. In summary, the TITA Ultra OLED dashboard HUD combines advanced technology, safety features, and elegant design. If you want a premium upgrade for your Tesla Model Y or Model 3, this is an excellent choice. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching.